Having efficient tools in the plumbing trade offers several benefits that can greatly enhance your work. Professional plumbers strive to have the best equipment, from innovative pipe wrenches to leak detectors. So buckle up, as we're about to show you some amazing plumbing tools that you should have. Starting off with a revolutionary solution for plumbing professionals and concerned homeowners. The LeakSmart is an intelligent leak and flood protection system for your home and commercial places. The system offers several features to safeguard homes from water damage and minimize the potential for costly repairs. One of the key features of this device is its ability to detect water leaks instantly. It utilizes sophisticated sensors placed strategically throughout the home to identify the presence of water. LeakSmart immediately takes immediate action to prevent further damage as soon as a leak is detected. It accomplishes this by automatically shutting off the main water supply to the home in 5 seconds or less. By cutting off the water flow, it helps to mitigate the extent of damage caused by leaks. Get ready to elevate your plumbing expertise with the McElroy Polygon LT. It's a fusion solution that embraces the artistry of plumbing, empowering professionals like you to create flawless connections and leave a lasting mark of excellence. Designed to fuse polypropylene pipe and fittings effortlessly, this compact fusion equipment boasts features that will make any plumber's heart skip a beat. Equipped with a plumbing professional's dream companion, the Polygon LT is data logger compatible, bringing a touch of digital wizardry to the fusion process. It incorporates a specially designed drive screw that enables fast open and close times for butt-fusing pipe sizes ranging from 20 to 110 millimeters. It's like a blessing for plumbing pros. Elevate your plumbing skills with the VEIGA MegaPress XL. It is the epitome of efficiency, reliability, and ingenuity. This tool connects carbon and stainless steel pipe up to 4 inches thick in a safer, faster, and cleaner way. It's about 90% faster than the welded connection. This tool provides a clean, flameless way to complete every job and needs no extra effort to operate. You won't have to take the hassle of manual tightening or system draining. The best part of this MegaPress XL is that it boasts the Smart Connect technology that easily identifies unpressed connections and installs them in just 16 seconds. And lastly, it comes with excellent ergonomics and has a low-weight design, so carrying this big guy around your messy workshop isn't a big deal. Annoyed with the flimsy pipe plugs that can't handle the pressure? You better go with the Oniko end-of-pipe gripper plugs. It's the ultimate solution for sealing pipes during testing. These tools expand to create an airtight seal, capable of withstanding high testing pressures. Made with durable metal, rust, and corrosion, these plugs will be an ideal solution for professional plumbers. Not only do they seal pipes, but they also keep out dust and debris, ensuring optimal performance. With sizes ranging from 1.5 to 6 inches, these gripper plugs are versatile and cost-effective. So now upgrade your pipe testing game with the reliable Oniko end-of-pipe gripper plugs today. The next tool on the list is a pipe press tool from Waramuck. The tool comes with multiple crimping heads for 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch sizes, and it's suitable for different dimensions of copper, stainless steel, iron, and PEX pipes. The press jaws of the tool can rotate 180 degrees, making it adaptable to various working environments. Equipped with two 2000 mAh batteries, the press tool delivers strong power with a huge output. It completes pipe pressing in just 2.5 to 4 seconds and offers a long service life, capable of more than 20,000 pressings easily. Hold on, there's more! This tool also features an automatic reset and pressure relief once the pipe pressing is complete, which ensures proper safety and ease of use. The GoHelper PVC Fitting Saver is an essential tool for plumbing professionals. This robust and versatile reamer is perfect for working with Schedule 40 PVC pipe, CPVC, ABS ventilation pipe, drain pipe, and water pipe. Its premium quality aluminum alloy body and stainless steel hex key shaft ensure durability and high hardness, making it a reliable companion for plumbing projects. The PVC Fitting Saver delivers fast and precise results with its square carbide insert, offering 4 cutting surfaces and higher cutting efficiency. It is compatible with standard, cordless, and impact drills, and is suitable for various plumbing tasks. So upgrade your plumbing toolkit with the Go Helper PVC Fitting Saver and experience the convenience and performance it brings to your projects. Guyanier Disconnect Tongs Tool. It's a versatile and efficient solution for removing push-to-connect pipe fittings. This tool comes with 3 sizes of interchangeable teeth, allowing you to remove copper and pipe fittings from any combination quickly. Featuring a unique design, the disconnect line tool is specifically engineered to reach pipes perfectly, providing enhanced convenience during your work. Crafted from durable S50C steel, the tool is oxidized and blackened to resist rusting, ensuring a long service life. The tongs have undergone heat treatment, resulting in high hardness, making them suitable for various operating environments. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the handles of the push-fit disconnect clamp tool offer a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during use. Basin wrench is an indispensable item for commercial plumbing job site. That's why the ARES Tool 33004 Basin wrench comes in handy. This tool brings a world of versatility to your plumbing endeavors. Crafted with a slim yet sturdy chrome vanadium steel shaft, it effortlessly navigates the tightest spaces with ease, granting you access to those hard-to-reach plumbing marvels. Prepare to be amazed by its automatically adjusting forged steel jaws, capable of tackling nuts of varying sizes, from 3/8 to 1 1/4 inches. With this wrench in hand, you'll never again struggle to find the right fit for the job. But that's not all. The 33004 Basin wrench showcases a remarkable head that pivots up to 180 degrees, giving you unparalleled adjustability for a wide array of jobs. Here's another wrench on the list. This King Tony 3616S is a rapid pipe wrench that stands like an ultimate plumber's companion. This versatile tool is a master of all trades, fitting perfectly with fasteners and pipes of any shape. This wrench eliminates all the slipping screws, as its anti-slip teeth provide a secure grip even on worn ones. The special jaw design ensures an extra strong hold, giving you the confidence to tackle any plumbing challenge. Crafted from durable CRMO material, this tool is built to last, ready to withstand the toughest jobs. Its one-hand operation makes it a breeze to use, saving you time and effort. Experience the power of its rapid ratcheting action and make your work smoother than ever. Let's end up the list with a hydraulic pipe bender from Repco. It's a great tool for all your pipe bending needs. This reliable solution helps you to bend various sizes of copper, brass, and plastic pipes effortlessly. Setting up the bender is quick and easy. Thus, you can spend more time working and less time installing. With a capacity for soft copper pipes ranging from 1/4 to 7/8 inch diameters, you'll have the flexibility to handle different projects. The angle master mechanism enables you to read the bending radius accurately, ensuring precise bends with minimal effort. Simply give it a few strokes, and your job is done. So that was the list of the amazing plumbing tools that you should have. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.